Hello guys, I am Asif Ali and you're watching CGHOW video, and today I have created this cartoonish like explosion in Unreal Engine 5 Niagara. So let's start this tutorial. So as you can see, I have these trails that coming out from this like missile. You can say this gun is small for this effect, but I didn't change. So there's this missile trail, then it collides the ground, and then there's a cartoonish explosion also. Okay, so what I have, I'll show you effect first. So this is my effect, which looks something like this. Oops, this is how it looks. So if I move this from here, press G, so no, you can see now I have this trail, this cartoonish trail, and with the same elements I just created a explosion that looks like this. Okay, with the same element, and even you can change the color of this thing whatever you want. So let's say I'm using this green, and if I play now, the whole thing will be green, and this look good, I think. And you can also download this whole project. I will provide the link in my description, so check that out. And